Say it again.
The job is when you work at or play.
All right.
Not just recording.
I'm not going back and forth with this little girl. She telling me I don't have a job. I said, Amani, come on. I got to do my job. She said, you don't have a job. I said, who you think paid for them clothes, little girl? Now, if you guys have not seen these are LA Colors nails. They have the glitter going on. Could you guys see this? Could you peep this? Could you see this? Let me turn it around for you. So these look so amazing. 33 P's nail kit. Ooh, child. 30 nail tips, 1 nail file, 1 nail glue, 1 prep pad, and this is $1.25. I was thinking about getting these, but nah, I'm not gonna get these. Now, just in case if you guys have not seen yet, Dollar Tree is definitely coming through for the 1s and 2s. Nail gems, 240 pieces. Absolutely love this. Look at this. Oh my goodness, those are gorgeous, those rhinestones. Then they also have this, honey, I know they didn't. You see they put this in. Moving on, they also have these nail charms over here. These are really cool. Is 900 pieces for $1.25. Honey, get into it. When I tell you Dollar Tree is already putting out their Halloween stuff, they sure moving quick. So at first I said, no, Dollar Tree not putting out Halloween items yet. Oh yes they are. Honey, they definitely putting out their Halloween stuff. Now these are really cute. This right here with the pumpkin, this is nice. Now this is, I guess, for the fall harvest. These are nice. I am so excited about this. Oh, yeah. These are so good. They look absolutely amazing. My favorite season is definitely fall, okay? Absolutely love it. Fall and spring. 2 lovely seasons. Now, Dollar Tree has their 4 floral accessories out right now. And when I tell you they hit divine, check this out. Check it out. Look at this. Absolutely love this. The bright orange. Oh my goodness. Oh, and they also have these. Okay, now I done forgot the name of these, and I know some, Pom Poms. Is it Pom Poms? Honey, correct me in the comments. These are $1.25. These are so gorgeous. Thank you. Absolutely love these. And look at these. Oh, these are so nice. Oh my goodness. Honey, DIY definitely coming through for the 1s and 2s. All right, family. So if you are looking for some tissue, Dollar Tree is now carrying Daisy 12 double rolls bathroom tissue. And I believe this is $5. Wow. Me personally, I like the tissue that's hard. But honey, this will do. If you guys come to Dollar Tree, or when you come, make sure you check out these Cozy Place Coconut and Tropical Palm. These refills, they smell absolutely delightful. They are $1.25 and you get 2. So I'm definitely going to get my youngest son Giovanni socks. These are so... Honey, this is a deal, okay? 3 boys crew socks for $1.25. So I'm going to go ahead and get him 2 packs of these. If you guys did not know, Dollar Tree is now selling a Tiger Balm pain relieving patch. These are $1.25. Works where it hurts. And if you know about Tiger Balm, honey, you know. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Cutter, the Poison Ivy Spray Itch Relief. Now, this isn't only for poison ivy. This is also for bug bites, anything like that. Maximum strength, relieves itching, calms irritated skin. No touch, no mess. $1.25. Now, a new item that Dollar Tree has is this Intimate Skin Serum. This is good for after showering, after grooming, and night care, skin care routine. Honey, it's the packaging for me. This looks so fancy. Look at this. $1.25. Now, I'm definitely going to go ahead and get one of these. This is the vitamin E infused Pom Mice. I know I'm jacking that up, but I'm getting one of these. Dollar Tree also have, look at Dollar Tree coming through. The eyeglass cord. These are nice. Honey, you're going to be selling and profiling. All right? It's okay if you can't see that well. This is going to set you apart from everyone else, the fashion mode. They also have these up here as well. These are $1.25. Honey, reporting live at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to have you move your feet to the beat. Honey, today is a scorching one. I thought yesterday was 107, but no, honey, that would be today. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, to understand and get your day, your life is going to get better, honey, once you think twice. We gonna go inside the Dollar Tree, see if they gonna have us move our feet to the beat out in these streets. All right, family, so Dollar Tree got some amazing socks. Get into these Reese pieces. These are $1.25. They also have the cool Jolly Ranchers. But honey, who? Yeah, this is definitely for the children because 9 to 3.5, honey, I'm like, I cannot fit these socks. These are cute, the dots. They also have the Hershey's, then the Twizzlers, and the cotton candy, sweet as gold. Let me see, Tootsie Roll, $1.25. So I told you guys that Dollar Tree is already putting out their back to school supplies, honey, and this is nice. Look at these triangle washable crayons. These are cool. Oh, this is nice. And then they also have these gel pens over here. You get 10 gel pens for $1.25. That's a great price. Centos scented markers, $1.25. Look at this. This is cool. So this one is green apple. They also have the strawberry one and then more green apple. Dollar Tree also have their dry erase boards. These are $1.25. And what about the Spiderman pencil pouches? These are nice. They also have, honey, I ain't even gonna begin to pronounce this. And this movie is out right now, I believe. Means Summer in Hawaii. Honey, check it out. New items at Dollar Tree is the Crest 3D White Whitening Therapy Toothpaste. This is $5. They also have the Crest Pro Health, and this is $5 as well. This is Gum Detoxifier. Another cool item I thought was the Kids Crust Advanced Color Changing. One change blue to pink when cleaning. Ooh, child. This is good. $4. Did you guys see this? The anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste watermelon. This is $1.25. And I definitely need to get the nail polish remover right here. $1.25. Y'all have bags?
No bags.
Damn.
I have a box over there. $8.96.